He's done. Combining done. Barry's turn. Barrow's on the baler again. Funky famous as well now. Hey, what? No, we've done it there. So you can start that way if you want. Go out that way. Yeah. Stick a 4 foot through it and see what you set to now.
About 4'6".
Bung a 4'6" out. As long as it goes in the ring feeder. It's a cattle ring feeder, isn't it? So it's not like it's a sheep ring feeder. I ain't feeding any woolly things.
No.
Yeah, bloody. Yeah. Well, I don't.
Wrong size anyway.
Eh?
They're the wrong size anyway.
Well, yeah, that's true. Yeah.
You can't get them down your Wellingtons.
Oh, is that right?
You have to use Velcro, mate.
Yeah. Yeah. They're coming at me from all angles here. What's Dave doing this afternoon then?
Picking some bales and put on the work.
Oh, right, okay. There's some straw rain, mate, isn't there? There is some straw rain.
There's a straw bale.
Yeah, more than I thought there was going to be.
What's the cracks in the ground like? I got one of these pins down, Shepherds.
Oh, did you?
And it was spent that far down in the ground, I couldn't bloody pick it up.
We ain't too bad here. We actually got a lot of topsoil here compared to over home where we got none.
Yeah.
So,
Got much stone out here, yeah?
no, and it's all rolled. So we drilled it, rolled it. I think on the whole farm I picked up 3 big stones.
Right.
Just an edge. You want it, yeah. So, yeah.
I'll record that.
I have recorded it. I have assured you there's no stones. Yeah. Luckily I'm also the editor, so I can cut that bit out. Yeah. Only just, but I reckon it'll go. Thing is, if I leave it till tomorrow.
Well, it's supposed to have
Yeah. Well, there's a bit of feed value in there, isn't there?
Oh no, you only just it before the year.
Waste not, want not. I'm back in the buddy seat again. Look at, it's not as comfy as the combine seat.
Alright,
I'll tell you what, I was impressed with that. I didn't see us doing this in 1984 when we went to Harbury.
No. I didn't think I'd be doing this either, but here we are.
Yeah. Regis straining the greens again, I reckon. He's got that face on him.
Better not.
Yeah.
Better not tell that bit.
Hey?
That was brilliant.
Well, no temperature. Where's
It was the oil
oh, that.
pressure. What sort of problem we got in there?
I ain't cuddling you, I'm just on the back of your seat, so I promise.
Fresh like that.
Hey?
Get fresh like that.
No, that's alright. I'm only using one hand, you're alright. I'm looking after myself the other hand. One day, and hopefully many more to go.
Want to have a look at that one?
Yeah, let's go and have a look at that. Light enough. So it's not that damp.
Too big?
A little bit big, maybe a little bit smaller. Yeah, a little bit smaller. Maybe 4'2". Yeah, wherever you put them to give it, because this is a horrible little corner. I was saying to Reg earlier, if ever there's a good enough reason to plant some trees somewhere, it'll be in this bloody corner.
Now it'll be more sensible.
Small enough, and that'll be alright. That'll do. That's small enough I can use that for bloody bedding out or feeding.
What's the moisture coming off like?
14, well the last lot came off 13.8. It's been averaging about 14.5, 14.6.
Right?
Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm going to dry it. I think, well, we're going on air temperature because meter we got doesn't do temperature, but air temperature is 22.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming it's coming off at 22, so we're going to put the vents in. Hopefully we won't need the fans. Hopefully they'll vent itself. No. The idea is we just put the vents in, let it sweat itself a bit. So get a sample set off tomorrow, see what the protein is. So because hopefully this is malting quality.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So hopefully.
Worth a couple of quid then?
Well, I don't know what it's going to be. 155 a ton plus malting at another 20, 25 maybe.
Yeah.
So, and we haven't had a bad sample off this. This was the first field we drilled.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm kind of hoping that I'm going to get my investment back.
Yeah, it's been quite well, not a bad year for corn this year, have it?
No.
Really?
But it's my first year.
Bit of a learning curve, isn't it?
It has been a fairly steep learning curve, and obviously I've had to use all my own money to do it.
Yeah.
The way I look at it, if I walk out of it with £5 in my pocket, that's going to be better than some people who are going to walk it with bugger all in their pocket this year. Look at some of the maize around here.
Yeah.
I mean, there isn't any.
Yeah. The only decent crop of maize I've seen so far is Bob Chapel got some of it.
Oh,
yeah.
Apparently there's a decent piece just coming out of Thornbury on the Grove by the roundabout. There's a decent piece there.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know. Well, Rich Cornock is nowhere near what it should be. He ain't gonna have enough. Some of the pieces I've seen aren't even been germinated.
No.
Nothing. Bit of wet tomorrow, innit? Well, that's why I wanted to get this wrapped up today. I didn't want to do it tonight, too late tonight, because I thought I might get a bit dewy and a bit bloody waxy.
Yeah, once it's baled up, alright.
Yeah, and tomorrow it's, well, the thing is the straw's quite valuable in a minute.
It is. Yeah, it is.
Keep it nice and clean, don't want any of that black grass in here. That's the one thing with when you let other people come in, you don't know where they've been and what they're bringing in with them.
Yeah.
Dave said he'd had that apart this morning, put a new belt in it, so I'm assuming it's all blown out and clean anyway. So
Yeah. I know that's right because I got to do it.
oh, was it? That was your job, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to be down my shirt.
Oh, that's right. That's this barley straw dust. That's itchy.
Oh, that's,
Hey,
yeah, you remember that stuff?
this stuff will make you itch.
Yeah.
You wash your bollocks twice after being in this stuff, didn't you?
I suppose you wear it again.
Yeah, but where you don't want it. So we're looking at putting all this into winter cover.
Oh yeah.
For grazing.
Yeah?
Well, we were going to do just winter cover, bloody mustard and some other stuff just to keep it covered, but I think we're going to put some grazing stuff in as well and rent it out to people with sheep.
Yeah.
I think the food's going to be short.
That wouldn't be a bad idea this year, would it?
Yeah. Hey, I know. Bloody combine drivers think they own the road, eh? Yeah.
I'll drop a bell, won't you?
Yeah. Well, apparently you've got a form for that, and you dropping bales behind the combine. Was that you or somebody else?
Oh, that's somebody else.
Oh, right, okay.
Comment on the
All right.
I might incriminate myself.
Oh, right, okay, I get it. Yeah. Was it a big chap I went to school with? Was he in my year at school as well?
He might have looked something like that.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. Right, I'm going to jump out, mate.
Whatever.
I'll see you in a bit. Good old Barry. had to come off to go into the next field anyway, so I think the plan is to put the header and the combine in here tonight if we can. But that's off the first 2 fields. It's the right colour, it's the right shape and size. We just got to send a sample off now and test the protein. Oh yeah, that's dry. Back up. Yeah, he's back up. I'm just going to nudge the blade over a little bit, give Reg a little bit more space to the combine. There should be enough room in here, but you scratch paint, Andy. Yeah, well, you know, yeah, good driver might get through there. Right, that's Andy done. Reg's on his way. It's 6:30. We're not cutting any more tonight because we've got to take the header off to go over there to get through the gates. It won't quite go for the gates. So it's only Barry, and I don't think it's going to take him that long. It was a bit of a stretch around the headland because it was a bit lumpy where Reg had turned and rode bits up and stuff, so but yeah, we can get this baled tonight. Rain bales. If it does rain tomorrow, not the end of the world. Right, I'll put the drone up again. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38, I think, out of here. So we should have about 50 from both pieces. Barry's still down in the little triangle field down there. I've just been to see my dad, just to bring him up to date with where we are, because he's interested to know how we're getting on. He might, if we get out tomorrow afternoon, Reg is hoping to come back out with the combine tomorrow afternoon. We are forecast wet in the morning, but he says if it dries up and we have this wind like it is now, it won't actually take long to get it fit again for the combine. So if we can get in 3 or 4 hours, maybe tomorrow, more if possible, then there is a chance, if we get a decent start on Wednesday, we could have combine and finish Wednesday, which would be good because we got a bit of wet forecast Thursday, Friday, maybe even Saturday. It would be nice to get it done. So, but yeah, I think I'm going to put all the bales I'm having at the moment into rounds. If I get a chance to do some squares, I will, because they just stack and store easier. But like these guys now, if it rains tomorrow, it doesn't matter. They won't hurt out here. It does not matter. So, but yeah, nice little bales. I can either roll them out for bedding. Lovely colour. The odd little bit of green. I don't mind the odd little bit. Nice colour. Nice weight. I'm happy with that. I've been summoned home, so I've just given Barry the gate codes, and he's very kindly going to lock up for me when he's done. So there won't be much left here. He actually thinks the crop is thicker in here than out in the big field, which surprises me because I thought it was going to rain. But yeah, so 40 bales out there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'll get 9 out here. So yeah, not too bad.